Hope you're having a fantastic day. This is Logan with Free Spirit. We are going to do a run through on how to swap out a tent skin on the High Country series. It's quick and easy. We're going to go ahead and show you how to do it. All High Countries are connected around the frame of the tent via these little sections with our clips and straps. We're going to make sure to remove all of these around the tent. There's some underneath the tent as well as some connecting it to the U-bar sections above. So we'll start with the easily accessible ones, located just connected right to the frame. We'll do all of those. So you can properly remove the entire tent skin without having to really take the whole rain fly off, which is super convenient. By doing this, we're going to start at the back of the tent. Just undo these two clips and start rolling it all forward. You'll notice that it's connected at the U-bar sections throughout, so you're just going to have to undo all of those. The last ones are connected in the middle, so you got to kind of get into your tent to reach them. Then you fold your rain fly all the way forward. The next step is to now remove the tent skin from those same U-poles that we took the rain fly off of. They're done so by clips. You just pop them off all the way around the tent. And let them fold down forward like so. Then you'll move on to the last section. Now that it's all disconnected at this point, it makes it a little bit easier if you remove the mattress. So we'll just kind of disconnect this little pole and just go ahead and pull this mattress out. All right, so the final stage of removal is going to be the straps that are holding it to the bottom frame itself. And now you'll work your way around, undoing each one. One there, one there, and you're all done. You just pull this on out. Okay, so now to put the new tent skin back in, it's gonna be the reverse process of what we just did. All right, so you're gonna wanna start by making sure that the window, the entrance is on this side. Just line it up with the four corners. All right, so this time we're going to start with the frame, all these connecting pieces first. So you'll notice this triangular little section down here. This is what the straps are going to be fed through before you clip them. So make sure to go underneath the bungee cord, and we'll start tightening them up. Same for the center ones, you just wrap it around the frame here. Don't go through any triangular piece. And just keep moving around the tent, repeating the process for the corners and the sides. Just feed everything through. So next we're going to reattach all of the clips back to the U-bar sections. We can start with this one here in the front. Then we'll do the second set of clips for the second U-bar. And then the final U-bar. And the final step for the tip material swap itself is going to be to reattach all of the straps underneath the tent's frame. You get it like that. Don't forget to do this. Tighten it down. Final step of it all is just going to be to reattach the rain fly. So we'll go ahead and put this stretcher pole back into place. Reconnect all these Velcro pieces back to the U-poles. Make sure the second Velcro strip on each side is put in between the two buckles for the best fitment. And remember, all of these corner pieces need to go in between the two clips for the tent material. Helps it keep its shape. And we'll just finish it all up. Fold these last two sections down, straighten it all out, and clip them in. Just tighten this stretcher pole up. Make sure it's got the proper shape. Once it's all swapped out, don't forget to put your mattress back in. All right, so that's how you do a total tent skin replacement on the High Country series. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. But it's a really easy process, and you can get it swapped out pretty quickly.